Go to the CCM Library homepage. Click on Articles and Databases. Click on Academic Search Premier, and if prompted, enter your CCM username and password. Click on Choose Databases. Click on Green File and click on Master File. Click OK. Enter your keyword. Click Search. Limit to scholarly peer-reviewed journals. Limit to full text. And limit the date. Click on a title, and then click on the PDF full text link. When the full text has downloaded, you can choose to email the article to yourself, or you could print the article or save it to a disk.